What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since we've had truck content. Unfortunately, still don't have the sandworm. Hopefully we'll have the sandworm this Friday. Fingers crossed. But anyways, today we're doing an install on my neighbor's truck. Actually, Lasfit sent out some lights to test out in his truck. This is going to be for a 2015 GMC Sierra. So first off, we have these switchbacks. These are for the Foglights, so they'll do yellow and white. And so we'll get those installed. Come with some stickers. And then next, we have some headlights. If I can get this open. And these should just be plain white. So, and I'll link these all in the description below, but go ahead and like and subscribe, and we're gonna walk over there and get these installed. Okay, so I didn't record the installation process, but it's pretty much plug and play with the factory bulbs. They just clip right in to the OEM plugs, and that's really all you have to do. Not too difficult, but here's what they look like at night.